Cheers and welcome to lovely Mount Cook. The lockdown has finished and we thought we'd go camping for the weekend, and Grace is going to cook us up a beautiful meal tonight. We're going to have to be fighting off the other campers around the place, but we're going to do it. What are you cooking, Gracie?
We are going to cook kimchi pancake or kimchi pizza. Nice and simple again, just a few ingredients, easy to carry if you go camping and cooking outdoor, or it's easy to cook at home any time of the day.
Let's do it.
Oh, I'm so hungry.
So am I. You didn't make any lunch or breakfast.
Oh.
Let's go.
The ingredients are kimchi. I bought this from Korean supermarket, 450 grams, all chopped. And I've got 1 egg, some flour, hot, look like it's flat plate, but there we go. You can tell I am amateur camper. Salt and pepper and cooking oil. And I'm gonna add some chopped bacon. I'm gonna chop it up a bit later.
Well, you got my survival knife here, Lou?
Yeah, this is a bit scary knife, but it's very sharp.
Good.
So throw the kimchi in the pot. Easy. 450 grams of chopped kimchi. I love this brand, Bibigo. That doesn't matter. Any kimchi you can buy from Korean shop. All good. I'm gonna add
They're really cool tools.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tablespoons of flour, and I'm gonna see whether I need some more later. Got 1 egg, goes in. I need some water. Maybe 1/4 cup of water. And I'm gonna mix it and just see the right texture. It's so easy, but kimchi is already has got lots of flavors that you don't need much when you cook kimchi pancake.
No, I love kimchi, and this is, you know, I'm an experienced camper, and you know, as you know, love, but when I come camping by myself, my food doesn't tend to be this sophisticated, so I'm quite excited.
And now I'm going to chop some bacon to add on my kimchi. Oh, I like the feel of this knife. I feel like I'm a professional camper or a hunter. Oh, the wild side of me coming out.
Just a survival knife.
So I've got 4 strips of bacon, chopped. Mix it all in. And throw some nice color and flavor with spring onion. Right.
Looks so good. I am really hungry. I'm sure you were going to cook me some eggs before we left this morning, but you didn't.
Well, we left in a hurry because we took so many things for 2 nights camping in Mount Cook, because now in May it's weather's a bit chilly, so we had to make sure we have to bring all our warm gears and mattress for our tent.
And who was that to look after, mainly?
Well, survival's your department, isn't it?
Yes, love.
Yeah. So I've got really hot pan, cast iron pan, like a real camping, you know. And I've got
A It is real camping.
It is real camping. What am I talking about? It sets the whole scene. So make sure that it's really nice and hot.
Thing with a cast iron pan, people don't like using them, but if they're nice and hot, they are non-stick and they're awesome.
So my mixture is ready to go on a hot pan. I'm gonna make a nice one big pancake. Got to bring a spatula. Brett had an idea that we make a homemade chopstick.
Don't cut yourself.
I really like this. I'm born to be a survivor.
Grace grills. Well, Grace cooks.
Right, another invention. A lid for my pan. It's a bit cold out here, so I need this pancake to cook through without burning underneath.
Yeah, it's about 2 degrees and there's a bit of moisture in the air, so things are starting to get a bit damp.
Snow.
Beautiful snow. Okay.
Right, this is a challenge. 2020, after lockdown, in Bangkok, I'm flipping a kimchi pancake. Woo! Woo! I've done it!
Right.
Woohoo! There was a bit of excitement. I'm pleased that I actually turned this over in one piece. So now I'm going to cook the other side, nice and golden. Cover that with my new lid and the chopping board.
Love the homemade chopstick.
I think I love this homemade chopstick. So my kimchi pancake pizza is nice and crispy outside, and the kimchi is so mellowed and cooked. So now it's about to serve.
Yum.
Smells good, isn't it?
Oh, I can't wait.
So kimchi pizza in Bangkok.
Oh, wonderful.
Splinter.
That's good.
How's it like?
Beautiful. Best camping meal I've had. Complete with homemade makgeolli.
No, it's my turn.
Thanks, love. Until next time, annyeong.
Happy cooking. Bye bye. 안녕.
The homemade makgeolli. It was a bit fizzier than I thought, but it tastes great. I blew the cork off. The cork off, I don't know where it went.
Okay, can't wait. Right, it's a different angle, difficult angle. Woohoo!
Well done.
So you do the talking and I'll feed you.
Smells great.
Are you filming now?
Yeah, I am. So you just told everybody you're going to feed me. And I do the talking. How can I talk when you feed me?
So kimchi pizza in Bangkok.
Oh, wonderful.